Namaskar. Welcome back to my class. A couple of weeks ago, I got a question from one of you that how can we perform chakkars in speed or fast-paced chakkar? We have, I think, 4 or 5 lessons. We have a playlist of different type of chakkar. But in this lesson, I have explained how to do these type of chakkars. There are so many chakkars, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, half. So many chakkars. You have to learn the basic of chakkars, and after that you can learn the fast-paced chakkar. This is nothing more. You just have to practice the chakkars more and more. First thing first, always practice chakkar. Okay, every day practice chakkar. First you can practice any type of chakkar or every type of chakkar for 5 times. After that you can increase the timings for 10 times, 20, 25, 30. Now I will discuss about the question regarding the question that I had. The question is how you can perform the fast-paced chakkar. First I will discuss the 8-step chakkar. We have already learned in 8-step chakkar we are using 8-step tik dha dik dik tik dha dik dik or ta thai thai tat a thai thai tat. Okay. First I will show the 8-step chakkar in speed. After that I will show the 5-step chakkar in speed. Maybe with some hastak you can use so many hastaks as you like. After that I will do the 4-step chakkar. Then 3, 2, 1, half. 8-step chakkar. Tik dha dik dik tik dha dik dik tik dha dik dik tik dha dik dik. Nothing more. In 8-step chakkar you can also use like tik dha dik dik tik dha dik dik tik dha dik dik tik dha dik dik. In 5-step chakkar tik dha dik dik thai tik dha dik dik thai. You will use tik dha dik dik thai tik dha dik dik thai tik dha dik dik thai tik dha dik dik thai. In 4th-step chakkar ta thai thai tat ta thai thai tat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 3-step chakkar 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As I have already said that we can use so many styles, so many hastak in chakkars. Now I will use something different in 3-step chakkar. In 3-step chakkar we will use different type of hastak. I am repeating it that you don't have to use only these hastaks. You can use other hastaks. I'm just showing it in fast pace. So first, in every type of chakkar, you will learn in this speed 1, 2, 3. After that, you can increase the speed. Here I am using Jal Brahmadi. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now 2-step chakkar. In 2-step chakkar, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. After that, in 1-step chakkar, when we are performing the chakkars in fast pace, generally we use the 1-step chakkar. Okay. So if you want to perform in any choreography or in any item, fast-paced chakkar, you can try the 1-step chakkar. In 1-step chakkar, you can put so much variations. You can experiment with your hastak. Now I am showing 1-step chakkar. The 1-step chakkar is like 1. Okay. So when you are doing it in fast pace, this will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You can also do this with different hastaks. You can also use your whole floor. I am showing it with some of hastaks. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can also use the pushpak here. You can also use the pushpak or Baddha Pheri like 1, 2. Or if you are using your floor, it will be like 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are using Baddha Pheri, it will be like 1, 2. Or using the floor 1, 2, 3, 4. Always in when you are doing it in your position, you will use the left heel. But when you are using the floor, if you are going to diagonal, first use your right foot and go like that. If you are using your left corner, first use left heel, okay, and go like that. If you are using the floor in a circular motion, so your foot will be one, okay, first your right foot, one, and with your right heel take a full spin. After that, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. And if you are taking so much place, first don't put your heel. It can make some noise. It can make some uneasy noise. When you're using so much space, don't use your heel first. First put your toe, okay. 1, 2. After the toe, you can put your heel. First take the position, take the length with your toe, and after that you can use the heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, make it sure. First take the position, and when you are in your position, your 2 feet should be like a V position. This is very important for your balance. And after that, take another section, another, and like that. I love to hear from all of you. If you have any other question regarding any other section, please feel free to do the comment in the comment section below. I'm always try to explain elaborately each and every section. If you have any doubt and want my interactive session, you can contact with me via email. You can find my email address in the description box below. Every Sunday, I upload a new tutorial. So stay connected with us, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and select the all option to never miss an update. Till then, happy dancing. Namaskar.